You have people that promise to help you. You have people in your life, maybe your cousin, your uncles, your aunties, they promise to help you. But anytime you call them, they will not pick your call. Not because you're having any issues with them, not because there's something wrong, okay? But because there is a spiritual energy that is bringing hindrance in your life, okay? That is making them not to be gingered, to help you, to assist you financially, okay? And they have been going through one financial problem or the other, okay? These people have the ability to put you in a position where you can be making your own money. They have the ability to establish a business for you. You have been calling them to help you to establish a business for you, to do one thing or the other for you. For years now, they have not been picking your call. Anytime they see your call, they ignore you, okay? Some of them are in abroad, while some are in Nigeria. And this has been making you to go into depression, okay? So in this video today, I want to share with you what you can do so that they can start picking up your call, so that you can remove whatever energy, whatever spiritual energy that is bringing the hindrance between you and them, okay? That's been an obstacle in your life, okay? So make sure that you watch this video to the end, okay? In this video, you can do it as a Christian. This assignment, you can do it as a Christian, a Muslim, a traditional person, okay? These things works for people who don't know, okay? So I'm going to teach you what you can do using one particular item, okay? So if you're coming across this channel for the first time, if today is your first time of seeing this face here or in YouTube, just know that you are blessed, okay? All you need to do is to join this channel by subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching, and if you have any question that you want to ask regarding my teachings, the comment section is open. You can use it to ask any question that you want to ask, okay? By the special grace of God, I will reply and guide you, okay? So make sure that you watch this video to the end, okay? So if you have a relative, maybe your uncle or friends or colleague, anybody that you know that's promised to help you, or that is capable of helping you, but this person, anytime you call this person is not picking up his or her call, this is not charm, okay? This is the power of the universe and God Almighty, okay? Remember in the Bible, the blind Bartimaeus, Jesus used a sound of the spit to heal the blind Bartimaeus, okay? And the Bible said that my people perish because they lack knowledge. Some of these things, some of the problems we are facing, the solution is already there. But because we are too righteous, or maybe, let me say, we don't know, so we ignore things, okay? So make sure that you do this. If you're facing this problem, it will not kill you. It will not stop you from being a Christian. It will not stop you from being a traditional person. It doesn't take anything away from you, and it has no side effect, okay? Just get this item I will show you in this video. You need to get this item. This is an alligator pepper. Everybody use this, okay? You can chew it, you can use it to do cooking, you can use it to do a lot of spiritual work. There are a lot of things that you can do with alligator pepper, okay? Now, if you get this alligator pepper, there are two ways you can use it to make this relative of yours to remember you and start calling her, helping you, okay? Either you open this alligator pepper and bring out 2 seeds from it and use it, or you use the hole punch like this, okay? I'll be breaking them down on how you can use them, all right? Now, if you have that your relative that promised to help you but is no longer giving you attention, what you need to do is to open this alligator pepper, bring out 2 seeds from it, keep it in your hand, okay? Now get a white piece of paper, right under them out at your relative. Put that 2 seeds of alligator pepper inside that white piece of paper. Now fold that white piece of paper, okay? Call the name of that your relative 7 good times. This spiritual assignment is something that you do 12 o'clock at midnight, okay? Say that today you are going to remember me, you are going to help me on my financial problem that have been asking you to help me with, you are going to fulfill it. Okay. After saying your prayer, after saying your mind, that 12 o'clock at midnight, you burn that paper that is written the name of your relative with the indicator paper inside. Okay. Now after burning it, you go and sleep. Okay. That's how you can do it. Now, if you don't want to open the indicator paper, you can as well write the name of that your relative on the bunch of indicator paper. Okay. And also burn the bunch of indicator paper by 12 o'clock at midnight. But when you use the bunch of indicator paper to do this will give you fast results. You understand? This will give you fast result. This will happen like a week or more, but it will not be up to a month. This will give you fast result. Okay, just write down the name of that your relative on the indicator paper. Now by that 12 o'clock in that midnight, read that indicator paper or call the name of that your relative, say what you want, say your intention, say what you need, then you burn the whole bunch of indicator paper that night. Okay, this will give you that result that you are looking for. Now your relative, wherever they are, even if they are sleeping, they will not have rest until they fulfill their promise, until they call and help you from that financial problem that you're into. Okay, this is not charm. This is a powerful recipe that you can do to solve that problem of your relative not assisting you. Okay, so that is what I want to share with you guys in this video today. If you have any question that you want to ask regarding this video, use the comment section. If you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe to this channel and give me the thumbs up. Okay, and if you want to talk to me directly, my number is on the screen. Use it to chat me up, but that number is strictly for people that need spiritual assistance. So you understand? Not for question. Okay, not for question. Please take note. All right, so make sure that you do this assignment if you are in this problem. It's going to help you. Okay, I've opened a second channel, but I will be introducing it to you guys in no distant time. Just keep following my channel and you'll never regret trying out any of my spiritual recipes. So yeah, I'll be wrapping it up in this video today. See you guys in my next video. Bye.